What should I do if the alarm fault persists even after clearing it?
Hello there, dear viewer. Today, we're going to explore a very common issue that can occur with various types of alarm systems: persistent alarm faults. These faults can be irritating and worrisome, but don't worry. We're here to guide you through the steps to troubleshoot and potentially solve this issue on your own.
What is an alarm fault?
First things first, let's talk about what an alarm fault actually is. Essentially, a fault in your alarm system indicates a problem or malfunction somewhere within the system. This could be due to a number of factors, including low battery, a broken sensor, or even a faulty connection.
Have you cleared the fault properly?
Before we jump into more complex troubleshooting steps, let's make sure you've properly cleared the fault in the first place. This typically involves resetting the alarm system. It's crucial to follow the manufacturer's instructions for this step, as procedures may vary across different brands and models.
Is it a battery issue?
One of the most common causes of persistent alarm faults is a low or dead battery. Ensure that you've checked all batteries in your alarm system, not just the main control panel. This includes sensors and detectors, which often have their own separate power sources.
Are all sensors functioning properly?
Next, you should check all sensors and detectors in your system. Look for any signs of physical damage, and ensure they're firmly attached in their proper locations. Sensors can often trigger false alarms or persistent faults if they're misaligned, damaged, or improperly installed.
Is it a wiring or connection issue?
Another common cause of persistent faults can be a problem with the wiring or connections within your alarm system. Check for loose wires, corroded connections, or any signs of damage. Always remember to turn off the system before inspecting the wiring to avoid potential harm.
When should you call a professional?
If you've gone through all these steps and the fault still persists, it may be time to call in a professional. Persistent faults can sometimes indicate a more serious issue with your system, and it's always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to your security. And there you have it. We hope this guide has been helpful in navigating the complex world of alarm system faults. Remember, if all else fails, don't hesitate to reach out to a professional for help. Stay safe, and thanks for watching.